unfortunately couldn't get the Visual Studio Code, the visualization, but I got the online compiler which also shows the tracing. But just the input I wrote here and output will be shown here. That's on the only difference. So input is 5 and 2 here, and the base and the power. So the 5 to the power of 2 is 25. And now let's see the trace table. So here's the visualization, here's the code, and with the blue is where we're starting, the yellow is the next step. So we have base, an exponent, and sum. These are the random numbers for now. So we're next step is see out the student name, which is mine, and we're asking the base value. So we're entering the base value is 5, and then we're entering the exponent value, which is 2. So, and then we're entering the sum, which goes to the power base exponent for the function. Function is x and y, and we also have z here. Z is now a random number, and now it becomes 1. Also we have the function itself, the loop for, and I will now become 1, as is shown here. Next step is the function itself, z equals z times x. So it will produce the exponent. So the next step is this step, so which is z times x. So I became 2, x will now, no, z will now become 25. So the function ended, now it returns here, function ends, and now it will show the cout, so the base to the power of exponent is the sum. Here it is. And let me show you again the for loop. So I equals to 1, x equals to 5, which is here, and y equals to 2. So it will produce now only twice. So it's 5 times 5. Z equals to 1. 1 times 5 is 5. And next step is when I equals to 2. So 5 plus 5 is 25. And that's it. I can also show some different inputs, like 3 to the power of 3. So the only difference with Visual Studio Code is the input is here, but if you check the code, so it works totally in Visual Studio Code. There is no such an errors, just the input will show a little different. So 3 to the power of 3 is 27, and we search the trace table. It will show that in for loop I became 1, x, y, and 3 and 3 power and the base. So here I equals to 1, z now equals to 3, 1 times 3. Second is 3 times 3, it will become 9 here. I equals to 2, z will become 9. And loop ended contribute, and again it will show I equals to 3 and z now equal to 27. Then the loop ended, it will return to the z, function ended, and it sum will be shown. Sum is 27 and return 0. That's it.